interim, my lord.
No interim.
My lord, that is what, my lord, just preliminary.
Page 8.
Page 8 is the FIR. This is type question. Original in English, your lord. Tell us. Only tell us.
What is your name?
Harez Ali. Then your
Yes, who has done all this mutation and all?
He is the prime witness. First one. Secondly, my lord, a preliminary objection, my lord.
No, forget about
he-
preliminary objection.
No, my lord, what I.
Now, who has
Yes.
manipulated this document?
Yes, no, my lord,
Is
just-
there any material that he is involved?
He is
That's
very
all.
much involved.
Nothing more is required.
Your lordship may kindly come. Page 15, your lordship.
Yes,
15. And just, I want to just point out one thing, my lord.
just we'll come to this. Let us
Yes,
hear it. Hear it. Page.
Page 15. Page 35, copy of more, your lordship. At serial number 10, Harez Ali. Page 15.
Page
15.
15. There is no page 15. Yes, Harez Ali.
Harez Ali, serial number 10.
Hmm.
And his name is recorded by the right of inheritance.
Hmm.
The disputed land in question was purchased by his father
Hmm.
in the years 19.
With forgery is not a civil offense.
But whatever done, my lord, by the official, my lord, Lat Mondal.
That's why
circle
you'll
officer,
see
my lord,
Lat Mondal may
My lord.
you might have greased the hands of the Lat Mondal.
at page 14, your lordship.
Who knows? You might have greased the hand of many revenue officers.
I have
That
no
will-
idea regarding the, my lord.
That is
So
the exact,
therefore
that
we'll-
is the exact case.
That is what we'll see.
Exact case.
Then there is no question of civil.
And the-
Civil is that I have purchased this, your subsequent sale deed is bad. It was liable to be cancelled. Okay, fine. On the basis of your sale deed, they have done it fine. But the materials are there that there is no sale deed. These are forced document.
The sale deed is for.
We know. Somabandi we know.
By the government official. Lat Mondal.
That is what we want to say, whether these corrections incorporation is made genuinely or by means of forgery. What is that? By means of,
By means of forgery, man.
that's all.
My lord,
Page
sale
14 may
deed,
kindly.
my lord, sale deed that has been.
Let us hear him.
referred-
Page.
Page 14, your lordship. I have translated the note of the circle officer, my lord. As per order dated 10/10/22 of the circle officer passed in mutation case number so and so.
I think
Then-
this Lat Mondal is required to be
Yes, yes.
interrogated along with you.
Yes.
My lord,
That will give everything clear.
if that is true, my lord, then Lat Mondal and circle officer are main
Yes,
person,
both.
my lord.
Both will give a
Circle
direction
officer- circle
that
officer has
what is the
passed
statement of the Lat Mondal?
My lord, last month statement is not there, but what I have seen, my lord, the sale deed that has been referred to, my lord, it is not a sale deed, but the report has come from the, my lord, register office, my lord. It was a, my lord, mortgage deed, that serial number, my lord.
Okay, understand.
Everything is false, my lord. And second, one thing, my lord,
Custodial detention may not
Very
be
much-
required. Your
See,
Lordship.
I
will
I
appear-
tell you the modus operandi. There are some documents, some numbers, which are basically some deeds, long old deeds, banks mortgage, government deed. Those deeds are, numbers are taken. Then you are given a certified copy.
Yes.
You will never get the original of that deed. If you go to the original, then you will get it's a mortgage deed.
there is the modus in every case.
Now, what about this, who has given him the certified copy? You are still possessing the land on the basis of this? Or you have handed it over? The land to these two old gentlemen and
The
lady?
land under possession since long, Your Lordship.
Yes,
And
sir.
also,
Goswami,
my-
just give
one-
me the case.
Yes,
brief.
ma'am. Again, one thing, my lord, he was granted interim by session court, my lord, at that time. But at that time also, he has not appeared. And now, my lord, they have not come with a clean hands. Now, there is nothing in the, my lord, petition,
Hmm.
whether any, because it is mandatory now, my lord.
Ah, yes.
Whether to, my lord, at least to say whether the bail payer is pending in
Pending-
that case or
pending or
whether it is was disposed of, nothing, my lord.
My
And
lord,
the
I have filed one additional affidavit. That
Additionally will not cure that.
My lord, actually, some facts could not be brought.
Okay, give me the case diary.
Lordship,
In the additional affidavit, I have stated as to how I could not appear before the IOU. Actually, he's suffering from jaundice, Your Lordship.
Lordship, may kindly also peruse that.
A,
Tell
A or B or C? So this is A, B or C?
I have annexed the certificate also.
What it says?
So may kindly peruse the bail objection. That is what the case, my lordship, in first page, madam. All the points were discussed, madam.
Heard. Mr.
Here,
A. Rahman, Learned Counsel for
I
the.
will appear along with all the land documents. Your
Uh,
Lordship.
Also heard Mr. M.P. Goswami, Learned Counsel for the petition. Reason application, so and so, so and so. Full stop. Peruse the case diary produce.
बहुत
Though the allegation is made that allegation is made that the land records were fraudulently and the land records were manufactured and name of the petitioner was incorporated in the land records pertaining to the land which belongs to the informant. Full stop. The informant, the petitioner, had taken a stand that the dispute is basically a civil dispute and the petitioner had inherited the land from his father, who in turn purchased the said land by a registered sale list. Full stop. Apparently, it seems that this is a civil dispute over the disputed plot of land claimed and counterclaimed by both the parties. However, the case there reveals it otherwise. The case theory reveals that to give the dispute a color of civil dispute, a suit was even filed, a collusive suit was even filed by the
Accused.
accused against, by the accused against the original owner of the land. First of the the statement of the earlier owner clearly discloses, suggests suspect, not discloses, suggests suspect. It is also the material for collected by the authority also suggests that the land records were manipulated and petitioner's name was incorporated with a, on the basis of a purported sale deed. Full stop. The material also suggests that, in fact, there was no such sale deed. Rather, the number of the sale deed on the basis of which it was projected that the father of the petitioner purchased the land is a mortgage deed and nowhere connects the petitioner or his deceased father. Full stop. The material also suggests involvement of certain revenue officials in this case. Full stop. Considering this matter in entirety, this court is of the view that custodial interrogation of the petitioner may be necessary in this regard, including the custodial interrogation of the other co-accused, other persons who are involved in this conspiracy. Considering the above, the present bail application stands dismissed. Door is closed for everybody.
It has to
If
be.
PP reminds, if PP
Right.
memorizes.
Yes, yes.
My lord, in such case, my lord, main
In such case, what?
main accused may be circle officer and Mallat Mandal.
Huh? That's why we have
Yeah.
said there may be interrogation may be necessary for the other accused. Sometimes greasing others' hands creates problem for your own hand.
Mm.
Yes,
Lord,
case
he
there
was
is
retaining the city.
huh?
Retaining the city
No,
alone.
no, this detective,
Lord.
case there is return.
No.
Case there is return.
Unless
Seven